Hello everyone, Matthew here from IG. Today we're going to show you how to place a trade. When you first log into your IG account, you will land in your My IG portal. This will show you a list of accounts that you have with us. To open the trading platform, simply click on Open Platform on the account that you wish to trade on. Trading platform will load and you'll see a blank workspace here. Now the list of products that you can trade with us are on the left-hand side menu. Simply select the product that you wish to trade. For example, let's do AUD USD. Click on FX on the left-hand side menu and you'll see the list of FX products that you can trade with us. AUD USD is at the top here. Simply click to open up the charting and deal ticket. Alternatively, you can just simply type the product that you're looking for, if you know what you wish to trade, into the search bar and it will load here. You can also right-click on the product to open the market in a new window so you can actually see a full screen view of the chart with the deal ticket. So for this example, we're going to buy Aussie dollar against US dollar. What you need to do is click on buy. The contract size you wish to trade, you will enter here, and we'll always tell you on the deal ticket what the minimum contract size is that you can trade with us. For AUD USD, it is 0.5 contracts. So for the purpose of this example, we will use the minimum size contract. Now, risk management is always very important when trading, and it's always important to use stop losses. That way you can minimize your risk and have your stop loss exactly where you want to be taken out of the trade if the trade goes against you. So for the purpose of this example, we'll just say we're going to have our stop loss at 68 cents. 68 cents is around 87 bips from the current market price. So we just simply put that in here. Now your limit is where you wish to take profit on your trade. So this will automatically take you out. Once the price goes through this level, it will take you out and lock in your profits that you've made on that trade. For the purpose of this example, we'll set our take profit at 70 cents. Now 70 cents is about 113 basis points from the current price. So we just pop that in there and you will see that appear on the chart. So a handy thing about the charting here with IG is when you are putting on a trade, it will actually visibly show you on the screen where your stop loss is, where your take profit is, and will also tell you a risk to reward ratio. So the risk to reward ratio on this trade is about 1.3 to 1. Another handy function as well is it tells you what you potentially stand to lose or potentially stand to gain on the trade should it go through either your stop loss or your take profit. You'll notice here that it has the margin on the right-hand side of your screen. So the margin on here on the deal ticket is just simply the balance that you need to put up against that position, which we'll take from your account balance. If you ever want to know what the margin is on a product, simply go across to the Info tab, click the drop down on margin requirements, and it will tell you what the margin requirement is for that product. For this particular product, it's 3.33%. So essentially, you're putting up 3.3% of your overall notional value of the trade. Head back to the deal ticket. We're ready to place on our trade. All we need to do is place deal. As you can see, that's gone through straight away and confirms the deal, telling you where you've bought, where your stop loss is, and where your take profit is. We can go ahead and close this now, and you'll see on the left-hand side menu, positions. So that position has now been opened and will sit in your open positions tab. Any open position that you get, any open position that you take will always show up on your screen here. This is also dynamic, so prices will be live and your profit and loss will also be live. You don't need to refresh your screen. You will also see on the left-hand side menu here an orders tab. This just shows any orders that you have open waiting to fill. The order that we just placed was a market order. Let's say you put an order in to only open at a specific price. That order will remain open until such time as you delete the order or it moves through the level. So for me, I've got an open order on Tesla here to buy it if it goes through $805 a share. That's how you place a trade on the trading platform.